Hello, everyone, and welcome to SpurtCMS. Here's a quick guide on channels and entries in SpurtCMS. Let's begin by looking at the left-hand side panel. Here, you'll notice a section called Channels and Entries. So, what exactly is a channel? Think of channels in SpurtCMS as organized content groups, each one holding a set of similar entries like blogs, products, or job posts. Every channel represents a category or a specific content type that you create. So let's go ahead and click on Channels and Entries. You'll now see personalized content, carefully tailored to your needs based on the questions you answered during login. But if you'd like to explore even more content types, simply head over to the Explore tab. From here, you can browse all available options. For example, if you want to add digital products, just click Add to Collection at the bottom. Once added, it will appear under My Channel Collections, just as you can see here. On the right side of the channel here, you'll also find quick options to configure, clone, or delete the selected content, making your workflow even smoother. Now, if you prefer creating your own custom channel, you can do that too. Just click Create Channel, located at the top right corner of the page. Here you can set up the basic configurations, like the channel name. So we can give it as Jobs Channel ID, which is auto-generated by default, and a short description about my channel as a space to manage and publish job listings. Once you click Next, you can begin adding fields related to your channel. Let's add text field. Here, edit the field for salary and give save. Here, add radio button and add options for job mode. These details can be viewed by the candidates who see the job description during a job search. Here, add remote. On-site, hybrid, and give save. Now, these attributes help the candidate do the filters during their job search. And drop-down list for skill set. Here, edit and add skill set. AI. Next, Java. Bix. And save mainwind. Next, we'll head over to categories. This determines where your channel belongs. Since my channel is related to jobs, I'll choose jobs, qualification, and save it. And that's it. Our channel named Jobs has been successfully created. Now, let's create an entry for this channel. An entry is a single piece of content that you add under a channel. At the bottom of the channel, click Add. Here you can give your entry a title like Software Developer and add job description about the job. Here at the left, we can upload images, audio, or videos related to it. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the SEO, data, and additional data tabs. Under SEO, you can add your SEO title, which is the title that appears on the search engine, and we can add a short description. Under data, you'll find the categories and additional fields that were configured earlier. And if you look under additional data, you'll see the exact fields we added during channel setup. Once everything is ready, you can save, preview, and finally publish your entry by clicking publish. So this is the video about channels and entry in SpurtCMS. Thank you so much for watching.